Hello everyone, happy Sunday from Sicily. This is June the 8th, 2025. You can see behind me one of the most spectacular highlights that we have in Sicily. This is the Temple of Concord. We are in the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento in the south of Sicily. And we are touring with our Sicily lovers. So the 20 lucky people who join the Sicily Lovers Tour, our group tour of Sicily. They are enjoying the shade beneath a millenary olive tree that's a sort of living monument. It's still in fruit, it's still fruitful. And Lorenzo, the special local guide, is telling them all the secrets behind this beautiful, beautiful archaeological site. I would like to clarify that the Valley of the Temples is a highlight always included in our tours of Sicily. Regardless if you join one of our Sicily Lovers Tour, so the group tour, it takes place 3 times each year, or if you join or if you ask us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily. A custom private tour is available all year round, and we can accommodate all your requests. We can accommodate small groups, families, groups of friends, and of course also couples. So if you are two, we look forward to putting together your custom private tour of Sicily according to your needs and passion. If you want us to put together a custom private tour, or if you want to join one of our tours of Sicily, feel free to contact us at info@bestthingsToDoInSicily.com. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Mwah.